Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm going to top stitch this one. I've got the top pocket. I've pinned it. I've made sure it's even both sides. I've pinned it at the bottom, even from the bottom up. I'm just doing like a little edge stitch, top stitch around this pocket, reversing of course. Taking the pins out as I get there. Making sure it's straight. Put the needle down to change directions, because that stops it from coming out and keeps the pivot point. Making sure I don't stretch it. It's going to stretch a little bit, but not too much, because it'll bubble otherwise and have waves in it. Popped out there. Alright, so I'm going to change the foot now to do my top stitching, because I just find it easier. I quite like sewing with that foot, but I'll change it to this one, because then I can use the edge of the foot to work out how far out the top stitching should be. So I quite like the top stitching to be the distance between that foot and when the needle goes to the right, but it's all personal taste really at the end of the day. So I'm just going to top stitch for a twin needle effect, and I'm actually deciding to do the width of this compared to the top stitching row, the edge stitching row that I put in before. And don't forget to reverse. And matching, I'll do it down here as well. Now I've tucked this in to make sure that there's no raw edges sticking out for tidiness. No, half a stitch more before it looks right to change the direction. Done. Clip the threads. Right, this is the effect. Your pocket is complete. Right now I've got the little matching contrast on the inside to match the hood, or the inside of the hood, so I just So now that the reason we do all the pocket now rather than later is that so that whilst all the piece is flat, it's easy to sew it. If you do it afterwards, after you've constructed, like maybe put the shoulders and the the sleeves in, it's sort of like a bit more tricky to get around the corners. So even though some guide sheets tell you to put pockets and things like that on afterwards, it's way better to put the likes of a patch pocket on, and this is a patch pocket, a pocket that goes on like a patch, before you construct the garment. So shoulders now.